You see,
Maybe escalating this isn't the best idea.
We're the hero of this story.
sorry, Mommy. Show's over. Time to give the people what they want.
Are you tired of spending more time searching for a good show than actually watching one? Well, in just few minutes, I am going to take you through the top 10 most haunted web shows available in Hindi. From ghostly mysteries to spine-chilling curses, I have got you all covered. Think you can handle it? Stick around to find out, because by the end of this video, you will have your next binge watch lined up. Let's jump into the countdown and find out which show will haunt your dreams tonight. At number 10, we have Feria the Darkest Light. Imagine uncovering dark secrets in a small Spanish village. This show, with its one season of 50 minutes episodes each, is about two sisters who stumble upon terrifying truths. The directors have created an eerie atmosphere that feels like you're tiptoeing through the haunted house. There's a scene where the sisters first face the dark force, and it's like stepping into a nightmare. Next up at number 9 is Brand New Cherry Flavor. This one is a wild ride. It's about a filmmaker named Lisa in Hollywood who seeks revenge on a producer who wronged her. She turns to black magic and things quickly get creepy. With one season and episodes around 50 minutes, the show's unsettling vibe and surreal moments will keep you hooked. There's this unforgettable scene with a mysterious cat that just gets under your skin. It's a blend of psychological horror that leaves you thinking long after. At number 8, we have The Midnight Club. A brave girl named Ilonka falls seriously ill and ends up in a hospice, a place where young people like her receive special care. Directed by Mike Flanagan, this one-season series with 50 minutes episodes each is a perfect mix of heartfelt moments and spine-chilling scares. Ilonka and a group of teens start sharing ghost stories every night, and things quickly take a turn. But it's not just their tales that are scary. There's something truly haunted lurking in the hospice itself. I went in with very little expectation, but in the first episode itself with Natsuki's story, it really caught me off guard. The way these kids tell their stories is so gripping. It feels like you're right there with them, living every frightful moment. It's touching and terrifying all at once. Coming in at number 7 is The Haunting of Bly Manor, directed by Mike Flanagan. This single season series with 55-minute episodes follows the story of Dani, an au pair from America who comes to Bly Manor to care for two orphaned children while trying to escape her own fears. She arrives at Bly Manor. The mansion with its shadowy corridors and eerie vibe sets the perfect stage for the gothic horror. Her job is to take care of two orphaned children, Flora and Miles, who are as enigmatic as the house itself. Each character adds depth to the story, carrying their own burdens and secrets. The Haunting of Bly Manor blends chilling moments with a touching story of love and loss. At number 6, we have The Exorcist. This story with 2 seasons and 45 minutes episodes revives the classic horror of 1973. The first season brilliantly captures the original film's tension and atmosphere, perfectly replicating the McNeil household's interior shots. The exorcism scenes are incredibly intense, making you feel like you're reliving the scariest parts of the original movie with, of course, new twists. Though the second season did not match the first success, it still remains one of the best horror TV shows I have ever watched. And I tell you, I have watched a lot of them. The story moves so smoothly that you will be craving for next episode, and then the next, and then the next. Number 5 of our list is The Fall of the House of Usher. In the world of entertainment, few experiences can truly be called masterpieces, but in 2023, a remarkable gem emerged, captivating audiences across the globe. The story begins with a man visiting the crumbling Usher mansion to help his friend, Roderick Usher, who is plagued by strange ailments. As he arrives, the decaying mansion and its eerie atmosphere immediately sets a chilling tone. The single season series with 50-minute episodes dives deep into the Usher family's descent into madness, with haunting scenes that make you feel like you're in the living nightmare. The gothic setting combined with the family's dark secrets creates a beautiful crafted tale of horror that keeps you on the edge. And at number 4, we have The Haunting Haunting of Hill House, the king of all. This single season series with 50 minutes episodes each follows the Crane family as they move into Hill House planning to renovate it only to face terrifying events. The house feels alive, whispering secrets and holding dark memories. The Haunting of Hill House is a modern masterpiece that goes beyond typical horror. It's strong character development with performances by Carla Gugino, Timothy Victoria Pedretti and Oliver Jackson Cohen adds emotional depth. The bent neck lady scene is particularly chilling, directed by Mike Flanagan. The series weaves past and present, setting new standards. Like Gravity, it pulls you into the story, making you feel like an observer who wants to help this family. For more about this show, check out my video linked in the I button. Now these were the top 7 shows. The remaining 3 are just as good but are not available in Hindi yet, but they're too good to leave out, and if you do not mind watching them in English, please go ahead and watch them. So now I'll tell you where I would rank them if they were available in Hindi. Taking the 9th spot is Into the Dark. This series offers horror stories, each tied to a holiday, spanning 2 seasons with episodes around 80 minutes each. Every episode is a fresh scare, like Puka, where a creepy costume drives a man mad. It's like celebrating Halloween every month, but again with a twist. At number 8, we have Ju-on Origins. This series dives into the backstory of the infamous Japanese curse in a fresh and well-paced way. This one season of 30-minute episodes each is packed with relentless, terrifying moments. The Ju-on story has been told in many ways through various remakes and sequels, but Ju-on Origins manages to retell the original story in a way that feels new. The scene where a character faces the curse in an old house is unforgettable. It's like the horror seeps into your soul and stays there. I also appreciated the allusion to real-life cases that inspired the story. Through these 30-minute long episodes, you will witness a fresh storyline that teases your curiosity to learn more about the roots of the crimes around the cursed house. And finally, at the top of our list, we have Paranormal. Set in Egypt, this show follows Dr. Rifat Ismail, a skeptical doctor who begins to face a series of supernatural events. With one season of 45 minutes episodes, it brilliantly combines Egyptian folklore with modern horror. The scenes featuring ancient spirits are truly chilling, like opening a Pandora's box of Egyptian nightmares. The series stands out with its unique cultural backdrop and gripping storytelling. Even if you do not love spooky stories, you will find something here to fall in love with. Now quit wasting time watching this and go watch all of them. And if you're still here watching, start with The Haunting of Hill House. And there you have it, the most haunted web shows available in Hindi. Turn off the lights, grab some popcorn or your favorite snack and prepare for a night of spine-tingling horror. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more terrifying recommendations. Drop a comment below about which series scared you the most. Until next time, stay spooky. Bye.